Okay, guys, this is Bank Nifty and daily chart. And the daily chart here, according to the daily chart, prices are running in a downtrend. They are creating lower low, lower high, and the lower low, the lower high. Now, finally, here, last a few days, prices are running in between a range. So this is the range, actual market range, and the price not able to create new lower low. So we are expecting that price may bounce from this area. So why we are expecting? So if you see the previous market behavior according to RSI, price create new low. So here and again create a low, and here again create a low. But according to RSI, it's called diverging. So when they are forming this type of pattern, there's a probability to bounce again. So after 4 days later, so day one, day two, and the day three, so finally we have seen a green candle. It's a good sign that price may bounce from this area. Even here you can see price create a low, pull back, and again try to create a new low but fail and form a bullish candle. Even RSI also confirming it is a diverging, so means it may bounce from this area, right? So that is why we must find out some entry point. Where exactly our entry point will? So let me show in a 15 minute. Let me show you first in a H1 chart. So let me remove this one. Okay, H1 chart. Here you can see price create a new low, and this is the bridge, and again create a new low and a pullback, create a new low, and finally they fail to create a new low and create a new higher high. So once it goes to this level, here price drastically pull back again. Here you can see price start running in a range. So I'm expecting if price break this range, it will continue toward the upside. So basically, when this type of pattern are forming, so it's a filling the order. Who are filling the order? This is called big boys. Big boys, when big boys are filling this order, it may shoot out or it may shoot down. So high probability it may shoot up from this area. Okay, so let me show you our entry point for the tomorrow. So this is the 5 minute chart, and this is the market range. So here I can see. So basically, I'm looking for buy after breaking this level. So here I can see 39,650. If price sustain above this area, so definitely we'll go for buy, and it is probability to create a new higher high. So basically they are creating a new high. So here I can see price pull back in a 5 minute. Try today price open gap up and pull back again. Price not able to create a new low and create a new high. So compared to this level, again pull back and not able to create a new low and create a new high. So basically, if price sustain above this level at 39,650, so I'm looking for buy above this area. So how I will get the confirmation? It will confirm by the volume, or if price pull back near this demand zone, so definitely we are looking for a volume confirmation. So definitely I'll hit my position with a huge lot, and the probability it will create a new high. So basically I'm focusing on a buy side. So first buy opportunity above 39,650. That will be my buy opportunity, and volume should be higher. And another my buy opportunity will above 39,400. So if price of pull back to this level, so definitely I'll hit my buy order. All right, tomorrow going to expire. So I'm going to use huge quantity tomorrow if I get opportunity in this area. So So how I will get the volume confirmation? Let me show you. Suppose price pull back to this level like that, and in this area I'll use price action method in a small time frame. This is called 1 minute chart. Let me explain here. So suppose price pull back like that, like that, like that, like that, like that. So what we have seen, when price are approaching this demand zone, if they form a very weak wave after getting a confirmation, bullish confirmation, if volume are increasing by volume, so definitely I'll hit my buy order. So it's a probability to bounce from this area. Or if I break this my demand zone, so I'll be a bearish. All right, I'm looking for short below this level. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please like and subscribe, and thanks for giving your valuable time.